If your school has an A/B or alternating day block schedule, then here's how to get your schedule added into SLP Toolkit. First, take a look at your school calendar and determine the weekly patterns that are created from the alternating days. For example, in this school calendar, there is an A/B/A/B/A week and a B/A/B/A/B week. You'll notice that even when there is a day of no school, the remaining weekdays still follow one of the pattern types. Here's another school calendar that has an A/B/A/B/A week and an A/B/A/B/B week. So we would need to set up two different schedules to follow each weekly pattern. To get started, click the blue plus sign, enter the name of your first weekly pattern, select a color scheme, and then apply the start and end dates of your current school year. Next, reference your school calendar to deselect any weeks that do not follow the first weekly pattern. At this time, there is not a way to remove single days from the calendar, but you can account for holidays and other days off school by marking those dates as absent on the agenda view. Once done, click Create, and now we can start adding students to our schedule. To do so, click the blue plus sign to create service time blocks for each of your students. Then drag them onto the schedule, or you can systematically group students using the filter to sort them by info added in the caseload tab, such as grade, teacher, or therapy type. Once all students are added to the schedule, we are now ready to create our second schedule for the other weekly pattern. Instead of adding a new schedule from scratch, we can save time by creating a copy of our first weekly schedule. Open up the copy and use the Actions button to edit calendar details. Here we can rename the schedule and then use the calendar to click on the checkboxes week by week so that only weeks following our second pattern type are selected. If you come across any weeks that don't follow either pattern type, you can always go back to the agenda page to add additional schedules for those weeks. Save changes, and now we can move students around to when we will see them, or completely remove them to start with a blank slate. And you are set!